Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make two DIYs, and those two DIYs are number 1 we are going to make watercolor and number 2 we are going to make clay. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So first we are going to make watercolor, and for that first take your bowl and add white glue in it. Now add water in it, and after that just give it a good mix. Now you have to add powder in it. Here I am adding 1 spoon of talcum powder, but you can use any powder you have. Here I am going to add few drops of food color in it. If you don't have food color, you can even use watercolor, but after that you are going to say that we are making watercolor, and while making watercolor we are going to use watercolor. But if you don't have any other choice, then I will recommend you to add watercolor. Otherwise you can use food color also. So now our watercolor is ready. Let's test it. Now let's wait for 2 minutes, and after that we'll see how our watercolor works. So now our watercolor is completely dry, completely dry, and you can see the pigmentation. It is amazing. So if you are going to make it at home, then you can see the results. It works 100%. So now we are going to make our second DIY, and for that first take your bowl and add 3 spoons of all-purpose flour in it. Now add 3 spoons of talcum powder in it. Mix them well together. Now add water in it, and after that add few drops of your favorite food color. If you don't have food color, you can add watercolor in it. Mix it well until it combines together. So now our clay is ready and it looks amazing, but it is a little bit sticky. So you don't have to worry about that. Just add a little bit moisturizer in it, and after that you are ready to play with it. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.